Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Money Way, and today in this video we're going to be going over my top 2 favorite resort stocks. I said that I was going to upload it yesterday, but I had some family stuff to attend to, so unfortunately I couldn't get this video out. But today I'm going to be uploading 3 videos instead of 2 just to make up for the videos I didn't upload yesterday. But anyways, let's get right into it. So for each stock we're going to be looking at their price. We're going to be looking at the different stats they have, analyst ratings, earnings ratios, all that stuff. And then we're also going to be taking a look at their websites and seeing what overall products and services they have to offer. So first on the list, and one stock that has made me a lot of money, is Eldorado Resorts. I believe I bought like 20 shares when it was at $18 and now it's at $39. I sold out of most of them because looking at where it is now, there's a lot of different stocks that are a lot more undervalued, and that can get me more than, I believe this is like a 1.8 times on investment, while with some other companies you can get more of a 2x or 3x or even a 4x on some of the ETFs that I showed the other day. But anyways, let's get right into it. So Eldorado Resorts, ticker symbol ERI. It's a pretty good stock when you look at it. It's not a dividend stock, but if you look at the 5-year chart, it definitely has some growth potential. It went from, I believe, a low of $8 in the last 5 years to a top of $68. It's more like 70, but Robinhood doesn't display it correctly. But yeah, that's about, for those of you guys who can't do math, that's like a 8x in just 5 years. If you compare that to like SPY or QQQ, some of those other more conservative ETFs, those ETFs would get about a maybe 30% or 40%. We can go look at it right now, but compared to these different stocks, oh yeah, this one has a 50%, while ERI, let's see what the 5-year chart says, of 400%. So yeah, definitely one of the more riskier stocks because it's not proprietary. Like, there's nothing proprietary about what this company does, but it's definitely a growth stock, and you want to be conservative, especially with the time now. Normally it wouldn't be that risky of a stock because it's a very good grower. They have a very good balance sheet, they have a good track record, they have a lot of different properties, services, products, and they team with a lot of different companies, much like MGM does. If you guys didn't see my other MGM video, I go into a lot of detail on that stock. Sorry for that, my mic just unplugged. But anyways, let's go ahead and look at Eldorado's website. They own 21 properties across the United States, and most of them are casinos, hotels, and resorts. And what each of these resorts have is they have restaurants in them, they have nightclubs, so if you want to go eat, you're bringing revenue straight to Eldorado. If you want to book a hotel, you're giving revenue to Eldorado. If you want to stay the night, if you want to go party, all that, if you want to gamble your money away, you're all giving revenue straight to Eldorado, straight to their company, and they team up with a lot of different companies to bring these sort of fun entertainment spots for you, and they get a percentage of the cut. So yeah, they teamed up with Isle right here, Lady Luck, Lemire Place, and they get a percentage of the revenue just for basically sponsoring them and putting their casinos and resorts in them, and the restaurants and all the nightclubs and all that different stuff, the hotel. The other company that they team up with, they basically take care of that. Let's go ahead and go look at MGM Resorts. So this is a really undervalued stock. I mean, they have more properties, they team up with more companies, they do a lot more services like groups and weddings, nightclubs, restaurants, resorts, entertainment. They even have like concerts and a lot of good views. I mean, imagine having a resort and living up on there and just seeing a huge pyramid in your view. I mean, I would love to live there, guys, and I'm sure that wouldn't come to a surprise to a lot of you, and especially with the different with having more properties than Eldorado and bringing in a lot more people. This is a really undervalued stock, and looking at the past 5 years, I mean, it's really surprising to see that they haven't grown even more. They really dropped due to Corona, and I feel like without Corona, that they could have continued this growth streak that they were seeing in the past year. If we go to the 1 year chart, they grew about 20% in just about a couple months, and that's pretty good when compared to another conservative ETF like SPY. But Eldorado has just been absolutely growing, and one of the reasons why is it's a bit newer than MGM, and I've heard that a lot of their services and a lot of their resorts are a lot better than that of MGM. I mean, MGM has been getting a bit of backlash over the years because it's one of those major casinos that a lot of people go to look at when they have a problem, they gambled all their money away. Then there's celebrities that come out, oh, they talk about MGM, they talk about how their gambling really gets to you and how they try to persuade you to come back even after you've won an insane amount of money. But yeah, guys, this is my analysis on the top 2 favorite resort stocks. Do I say buy them? I would definitely buy MGM, and if you want to get a quick flip on Eldorado, I would definitely do so too. They have a lot of different services, a lot of different products, so it's a lot less risky when you compare it to something like in the air transport industry that has to pay for a lot of different properties and still can't bring in revenue because there's a lot less flights or there's a lot less purchase order for air transport vehicles. This on the other hand, there's still restaurants open, there's still nightclubs open, there's still hotels open, resorts, casinos, all that. You can still go, it's just a lot less people, and it's a lot safer because they make you wear masks, they make you wear gloves. You have to stand 6 feet apart. Not all the machines can be operating at once. I believe there's only like 1 or 2 people per table. I'm not sure exactly on that. But please, guys, do your own research on this. Maybe do some fundamental analysis. I'm looking into giving these types of videos to you guys where I go over the fundamental analysis when I do my analysis of specific stocks. But yeah, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. All that I said in this video is just my opinion. Please do not follow it. But thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys think that I did good today and if I brought good content to you guys, please throw me a like and subscribe and comment down below what stocks you are looking at right now. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great week.